emergency bulkhead again. This time I'm going to make it into a emergency bulkhead that doesn't need to be required to have mains power. Right, so how are you going to do this? First off, you need a power bank. Secondly, if needed, well, you probably will need this. I have a breadboard PSU that I'm running this on, and I've just done it straight to the LEDs. No mains powered here. My parents go on to me about saving electricity. This is the only method I have left. Oh no, got to worry about the fitting though sometimes. Don't want to break this PSU, it's the only one I've got. Right, so unfortunately there'll be no green light though. Who needs that? Right, and then I can connect it to the power bank and it'll just run off that, right? But then I can just connect that to the USB port here and it will just charge constantly. And like that, I hope is that the power bank? Oh, the power bank's about to die, that's why. Is that the bulkhead? Hang on. Yeah, it's very unstable on this nearly dead power bank. I'll try it on. No, that one's dead as well, actually. Just plug it straight into the mains outlet. Using a Lenovo charger, not sponsored. Yeah, pretty good. It's making this really weird high-pitched noise. At least I don't have to worry about the funky circuitry going on in here. Just to prove to you that it is running off the PSU. Here it is now. Yep. It's definitely running off the PSU. Oh, that's warm. Oh, yeah. You know what I could do as well? I could plug it into there too. I could run more than one of these. But just don't. But if you're using one of these, make sure it's set to 3 volts, or in this case 3.3. So it is overdriving these LEDs a little bit. These are meant to run off 3 volts, and that's why they're a little bit warm. Probably won't be best running it for a long period of time, just in case. But yeah, that's how I got this to run on here. So this, basically, just unplug that, and if you want, you can just unplug that and just plug it straight back into here, and it will just work as a normal emergency light. But because of energy saving rules according to the house, I'm going to run it off USB. Where's that USB port? But yeah, this is I already did test this. I know this board works. I'm not going to remove it. Might as well keep that. This battery stuff. I'm not going to unplug that actually. I don't know if this bulkhead has rest mode or anything, but yeah. My parents shouldn't be too concerned now that I know I can run this off of the USB power, and it would make a good light for under my bed. So if I actually just maybe not crush my PSU, we'll be okay, thank you. Oh, that's a bit concerning. Oh, that noise is very concerning. Oh dear. But I'm actually glad I was able. I first tried to run it off a AA battery, and of course that doesn't work because the voltage was too low, 1.5 for you. So, yeah. If you're looking to modify an emergency bulkhead and save electricity, this is the way to go. That's why USB is getting more popular. People are trying to find ways in order to defeat the purpose of mains powered products. So yeah, that's how I've done it. It is a genuine bulkhead, as you did see. It's the one I got from that building refurb, and of course the main circuitry works. But of course I'm running the LEDs directly from a breadboard PSU. So yeah.